if the contact names are not showing for incoming calls on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. And over here, just look for the option of Contacts. After you find it, now just check if this toggle is enabled or not. If this toggle is disabled, then just enable the toggle for Contacts. Select Merge. Now if this toggle is already enabled, just disable it, then enable it back on. Then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back. And in your Apple account settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Sign Out. Then just sign out of your Apple ID. After you sign out of your Apple ID, then just wait for a couple of seconds, then sign into back in your Apple ID from Settings. But if this also did not work, then just follow the third method. For that, just go to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app, then tap on it. Tap on Mail Accounts. Now under the Account section, just select each account and make sure that the toggle for Contacts has been enabled. If it is disabled, just enable it. Now just do the same with all the other emails on your iPhone. And after you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix the contact names are not showing for incoming calls on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.